How to fix touchpad not showing up in Device Manager. So if you want to fix the touchpad not showing up in Device Manager, then what you need to do is first you just need simply right click on your Windows and you need to open up your Device Manager. After opening your Device Manager, now you just need simply go with the mice and other pointing devices. And here if you don't find the device, then you just need simply go with the view section, and here you need to go with show hidden devices, and once you go with it, then you will be able to see the other devices. Now you need to click on the device and then go with the update driver, and you need to update your drivers. After updating the drivers, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to again just go with the action option, and under that you need to click on scan for hardware changes, and after a few seconds then your problem might be fixed. It will reload your device manager and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply right click on your Windows, go with your settings. Under settings, now you need to turn on your touchpad manually. So you need to search for the touchpad option, go with turn the touchpad on or off, and here you will have the touchpad. So you just need simply go and turn on the touchpad. Once you've turned it on, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you can do is go with Windows Update, and you need to check for updates. If you have any updates under your Windows, then you just need simply go with the fix issues or update option, and you need to update your Windows, and after updating your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.